Welcome to Kesler Shares. And today we are going to make a Paku Paku, aka talking mouth. Now we are going to make it. First step, fold and unfold. It will look like a rectangle. Second, rotate and fold. There will be a line in the middle. Third, unfold, rotate until the tip is facing you. After that, fold. There is two triangles and a square. Unfold. Next, rotate it again. It will still look like the tip is still pointing to you. Fold. There are 4 triangles. Unfold. Fifth, turn back into a square. And then fold all the corners to the middle. You must find the opening part. Fourth, turn it over and then do the same thing. There are 4 lines if you see the opening part. Fifth, turn it into the tip is facing you. And then fold and unfold in different ways. Next, fold again, and then the tip, bring it inside, and then close it. Do the same as the right side. You will see a square. Last but not least, open it up. And here's your Paku Paku, aka talking mouth. Have fun playing. It's time for the interesting part. Use a marker and draw the eyes. We're done. And then now, let's play. I hope you like my sharing. If you like my video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.